Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. And yes, welcome to another edition of our first walk and talk. Now, today's topic. What do I want to talk about today? I want to talk about something that I say a lot of people are experiencing right now. Wow, that's lovely purple. Let's check out the view here. This is my first time being here. Amazing. Wow. Yeah. So, okay, so I'm gonna walk down these steps. Yeah, wow, it's amazing here. Lovely landscape. Wow, I never knew that the biscuit. Amazing what you find in your back door. I think that's one of the things I enjoy about going out walking in the forest. Sorry, I can put down my coffee there. You never know what you're going to find. Trust me, I need to walk in the forest. Particularly this time of year. I enjoy Christmas. I love Christmas. I love this time of Christmas, preparing for Christmas. I used to go to the forest just before Christmas, a week or two before Christmas, to pick up branches for my mum. There's amazing waterfalls here. Look at that. Yeah, I used to pick up branches, go to the forest to pick up branches for my mum, so she could decorate the house with the branches and make lovely Christmas scenes out of them. Yeah, so I love this time of year. But at the same time it can be a bit more stressful for me. And it is for everyone, I say. With buying gifts and making sure you see everyone. Like normal Christmas stuff and normal seasonal etc. This is what I'm saying. You know, like the stress of dark nights and not much sunlight. Yeah, they do get me down a bit, but I'm getting a lot better with that, thank God. But this year I'm finding, I don't know, I say yeah, what I'm going to say, yeah. I'm finding that new daily, what would you call it, a daily reminders or threats from Nippy to be such a downer, that I do feel it affecting my mental health. Like, don't get me wrong, I'm not a Covid denier. I have all my vaccines and boosters. But I feel like get notion that we can't go and enjoy family time, and particularly when we need to. I get things like you like to nip it and be reading the room wrong. You know? I just don't think he is accommodating mental health of people with, in general, of people in general. And the country, I don't think he's looking at the mental health of the country. And that's a very important thing, you know, like, we need to have a balance here. Like, we cannot lock down forever. You know, from an economic point of view, that's not feasible. From a geopolitical, that's not sustainable. I just don't know, like, I just find it harder to deal with. I know I'm having a rant here. Let me know what you think. Yeah, buddy. I get caught. I add on to this part to the video. I'm get back in the car after shooting content in the forest. But I get caught. I came on here to say that my mental health at the moment, or since returning to the car, my mental health has actually improved drastically. After walking in the forest, I can already feel the benefits of it. That my brain is more relaxed, less stress in the shoulders and back. Yeah, I would say not lightheaded, but like a weight was lifted off me, you know. So that just goes to show the benefits of actually just walking in the forest, and it's cheap. You can pay for it. So like anyone can do it. It should be accessible to all people of all abilities. And yeah, so I recommend highly to get out to your local forest or park or whatever, get out to nature and just chill out and walk. We will get through this. I know we will. Right, thanks very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I do, even though it was me ranting. My apologies. And yes, no, I'm myself, and I sincerely hope you do have a wonderful, peaceful Christmas. Okay, thank you. Bye.